When you first open your software and click Start here, you're shown this dialog box. This is where you chose your MLS settings. But there are cases where you maybe have been using one for a while and thought, you know what, I'm good with this. I don't need to use anything else. Go ahead and just select this one here. And I click this button saying, do not ask again what MLS I'm using because I plan to keep using it. And once you clicked OK, you were able to load your file and you were good to go. However, there are cases where you have to reset this MLS choice, whether that be because your MLS has changed or because you're jumping to a new location because you moved. In order to do that, all you have to do is click the settings button here in the top ribbon control, and then click this button here. It says reset MLS choice. Then on this window that opens up, click OK, and then click OK just to close the settings. And now that configuration is saved. So next time you click Start here again, it will now show up this dialog box. And you can set your new MLS and you're ready to go.